All right, guys, here is the master sheet on annuities. I'm hoping this, and my plan here again was that you've got this big booklet, but now you've got some sheets that have one example of each type of question. It's not going to cover everything I can possibly ask, but at least it's going to be a good place to start from. So let's take a look at this one. All right, so it's an annuity, so we know what we're looking for. Okay, so Mikey's putting money in his account. 2.6%. I'm not sure why I wrote that out. Or in 2 words, that's kind of weird. How much is going to be his account when he retires 50 years later? So, savings, don't know. Regular payment, oh, I and N. I think I'm doing in order like I always do. So I got 50 years. Oh, I'm just going to do all my work over here. 50 years times weekly, 52. 50 times 52, 2,600 payments. Now my interest is 2.6 divided by 100 divided by 52. 2.6 divided by 100 divided by 52. 0.123. So watch that. I can tell right now I got to pay attention, make sure I get 3 zeros in all the time. And my regular payment is $25. All right, let's plug this into the equation. S is equal to R. 1 plus I to the N plus 1 over I. So S, the amount I have, is equal to $25. 1 plus 0, 0, 0. Okay, I'm in a cheat. I'm just going to add those together right away because I don't have much room here. 0, 0, 0, 5 to the 2,600 plus 1 over 0.0005. I'm going to move over a bit here too. S is equal to 25. All right, we got that. Plus 1 is equal to that. Now we're going to go to exponent. Okay, so on this calculator, I don't know if you've noticed, it's a Y to the X button, but cool enough, when it shows up here, it shows it as a caret key. So it's the same thing. It's still how you do an exponent. 2,600. Okay, so 3.668. I'll be lazy. Plus 1 over 0.005. Oh, look at that. I already lost a 0. So be careful. S is equal to 25 times 4.668. And a bunch more numbers that I'm too lazy to write. There's the truth, folks. So I'm going to add 1 to my calculator. See, still there. And that's going to be divided by 0.0005. Now, when we did this section, remember, we could do all at once. So I'm going to go times 25, and then I'm going to divide by 0.1235. 3 zeros and a 5. Oh my goodness, look at that. 233,405.24. $233,000. I'm going to do my quick check. All right, $25 a week times 52. 25 times 52. 1,300 a year times 50 years. Is $65,000. All right, so if our friend Mikey had just put the money in the sock drawer or wherever else he saves his money. He would have $65,000, but because he put it in the bank in a savings account, he has $233,000. That's an awful lot. But also realize that's over 50 years. Okay, so it took a very long time to save up that amount of money, but there's, oh goodness, because I really want to know, 233,405.24 minus $65,000. So when I subtract this, minus 168,405, this is the interest that he gained. Oh, and for anybody that wanted to know, the question was done as much as the actual question. This is just me doing a check and then just being curious as to exactly how much money he gained. Or, sorry, how much interest he made. All right, next one. I really hope that you guys actually just like turned off the video and are just checking the answers. You're not actually watching it other than to, you know, just do a quick review or say, hey, she's pretty funny. Maybe she'll tell a joke this time. How much did the pirate pay to get his ears pierced? A buccaneer. If you don't understand it, come talk to me or Google it. All right, Sarah wanted to save up some money to start a soap business. The bank has offered a savings account that earns 9.3% per year compounded monthly. How much does she need to deposit to have $4,000 in 5 years? Okay, I missed a word in there. Deposit monthly. All right, so SPIN. Oops, not SP. I was making a word. No. SR. So 5 years times 12, because monthly payments, that gives me 60. My interest is 9.3. You know what? I don't like doing this. I like this. Highlighting makes me happy. All right, 9.3 divided by 100 divided by 12. Oops, 12. Remember this matchy. 9.3 divided by 100 divided by 12 is 0.00775. Maybe I should have left myself more room. Now, is she depositing $4,000 every month, or is that how much she wants at the end? Yes, that's how much she wants at the end. So that goes here. All right, let's throw it in our formula. Is it +1? Yeah. Sorry, I've been doing both formulas and I'm like, you sure that's right? Yes. If not, I guess you'll never know because I'll redo the video. S is equal to, nope. Yeah, I know what I want at the end. I want $4,000. So R is what I need to figure out. 1 plus 0.00775 to the 60th over 0.00775. 4,000 is equal to R, right, my calculator back here, plus 1. Okay, and then we need to take it to the 60th power. All right. Hold on. Now I'm starting to second guess myself. Did I mess up the formula? I'm going through my notes. I'm going to go through my notes. Where are my notes? Oh no, it's -1. Snap. Which means this is all messed up. Okay, let's fix this one. -1. -1. Oopsies. 1.58916 -1. There were some more numbers there. Over 0.00775. So 4,000 is equal to R 0.58916 something or other. More decimals, which are still on my calculator. 0.0075. Oops, lost a 7 there. Okay, so subtract 1. Takes me to there. Now I'm going to divide by 0.00775. And I'm going to get 76.02101552. Because I don't know where that key is on my calculator on this one. So I'm just going to write out the whole number. 76.02101552. I'm going to divide it by everything, but I don't have enough room. So 4,000 divided by 76.02101552. And it looks like it's 52.62 per month. Oh, sorry, equals R. Now let's do a check. We're going to do 2 different checks. Okay, so if I take this 52.62 times 62, oopsies, 52.62 times, we're going to multiply it by 12, and I'm going to multiply it by 5 all at once, because this will give me per year, and this will give me over the 5 years. So times 12 times 5. Well, gives me an error. 52.62 times 12 times 5. All right, so 3157.20. And that's okay, because remember, she's getting some interest from the bank. So when I did this, this number should have been and is less than the $4,000 she wants. So that's good. So this is number 1 check. Number 2 check. And like I said before, because the question isn't asking you to check, you don't have to do this. Another way to look at it is if she had $4,000 that she wanted to save, she could divide that by 5, figure out how much she wants to save per year, and then divide that by 12. So let's do that. 4,000 divided by 5, which would mean she needs to save $800 a year. And then if we divide that by 12, that gives you 66.67 per month. So if she didn't put it in the bank, if she just stored it in her sock drawer, she'd need to put $66.67 away every month. So our number of $52 is fine, because this is saying that there's some interest involved. So 1 check or 2 checks. And now I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix this top question. I have to put a note in the video. I don't think I want to do a whole new video, so let's just fix it. So the mistake was, yeah, you know what the mistake was? Joanne didn't look up the formula. Joanne thought she could remember it. That should be a minus. That should be a minus. So then this part isn't going to be that, it's going to be 2. And this is going to be way off. Now, there's a little bit in my brain, I think, that was saying that was an awful lot of money. And I should have listened to that little voice. So let me just quickly fix this, and then I'll just put a note in the video that there was a mistake. 1.0005 to the 2600 is that. Now I'm going to subtract 1, and I get that. And then I'm going to divide by 0.0005. Oh, I forgot to multiply by the 25. I'm going like, now I'm really messed up. There we go. 133,405.24. Okay, that seems better. $133,405.24. Not the 233. So, sorry about that. And I'll make sure I make some notes in there. Thank you. Have a lovely day.